Well, it's a big jolt for pipe makers as government has delayed the implementation of quality control standards for PVC, which is a key material used to increase durability of pipes. To discuss the impact on organized listed pipe players, we are now being joined by Praveen Sahay, VP of Institutional Research at PL Capital Group. Well, good afternoon to you, Praveen. Let me first start off by asking you, what do you make of this development? It has been delayed countless times now. What is the impact of this on the prices as well as some of the listed players?
Yeah, so there is a delay in the implementation of a BIS norm in the PVC resin, and this delay is a third time. So it was earlier, expected to come implement in the August 24, and then there is a multiple delay happened. Because our PVC resin around 55% get imported of our total consumption, and as there are several countries from where we import, and China is one of the big, so around 32-33% of import come from there. And with these implementation, that was expected some, curtail in the import and the quality product. And especially in the PVC resin pipe to increase, and which will directly benefit the organized player in the pipe and fitting segment. And that also expected some stability in the PVC resin prices to come in, because from the last October 20th, when the ADD was proposed, continuously the PVC resin on the volatile space. So with this stability expected to improve and the organized to gain the market share, and so as the listed peers.
Praveen, in fact, you've been highlighting via various notes to clients that PVC resin prices, especially post Q4, were actually on a rising trend. So spreads were improving for players. So does this now mean that once again you will see spreads contracting? And also, any clarity or any timeline as to when we can expect any imposition or any comments as far as ADD is concerned?
So there is two things actually. The one BIS, another is the ADD. Both has resulted a fluctuation in the PVC resin prices. So from the November onwards, we continuously see there is a correction in the PVC resin prices because delay in the ADD, and then after the start of this month, when the BIS norm implementation getting nearer, there is a 3.5 rupees per kg increase in the PVC resin prices, and now that's got deferred again, and we don't know when the ADD is expected to come in. Definitely, these both things will lead to some uncertainty in the especially in the demand and inventory filling, and which will result in the correction in the PVC resin prices, maybe. Now, the most important over here is because of these fluctuations in the last 2 quarters, we have continuously seen that the inventory level at the channel for the pipe and fitting has reduced significantly. Usually, channel used to keep around 5 to 6 weeks of inventory. Now, that's around 2.5 weeks. So that inventory filling restricted because of fluctuation in the PVC resin prices, and that's impacted the volume growth for the peers. So that will continue like this with these, uncertainty time, and we will see a muted volume growth for the peer set for plastic pipe.
So for the entire year, when you say it's a muted volume growth that you're expecting, what is the kind of range?
So when we start this financial year, and there is a news for stability in the PVC resin prices, this 4 weeks of a filling in the inventory only expected to bring around 7 to 8% of a growth for the sector. And now we are not seeing any kind of stability in the PVC resin prices. Definitely the industry would be in the range of around low single digit of a growth, or maybe a flat.
Understood. Thank you so much, Praveen, for joining us, giving us a view on two very important developments as far as the entire pipe industry is concerned. Thank you once again, and we hope